The concept of random drug testing in NEMT is gaining popularity. This practice allows you to select employees and drivers blindly and randomly and ask them to take alcohol and drug tests. There are no prior notices given indicating the test. It's literally random. If you're an NEMT service thinking about implementing a practice for random drug testing and wondering why it is essential, this article will help. Additionally, you will also learn about how random drug testing software can help. Why random drug testing? Being a transportation service provider in the healthcare sector, you have to maintain certain standards due to the sensitive and critical nature of the business. While NEMT services may not deal with emergency medical scenarios, failing to comply with specific prerequisites for the service may have consequences. One such instance is about ensuring that all your fleet drivers are completely sober at work. The best way to learn about the general attitude of your drivers towards drugs and alcohol is to use the element of surprise. This is where random drug testing comes in, as you randomly ask an employee or driver to take a test immediately, no ifs and buts. How does a random drug testing software work? Randomly selecting drivers and employees in your NEMT business may sound like an added hassle. On top of that, it will be hard for you to remember whom you requested to take the test previously. This is where random drug testing software can help. A drug testing software will allow you to automate this activity in the following manner. Random selection. As you install random drug testing software, it will collect all the information about your employees and drivers. Once you've fed all the data, the software will randomly generate a list of drivers and employees who must take a test instantly. The best part is that the random selection of the software eliminates the excuse from an employee for a biased selection or due to any prejudice. Compliance with the law. The software will allow you to stay updated about the state laws and compliance requirements. You will also receive notifications when it is time for another round of random drug testing. The software will again scan the database and send recommendations for new employees and drivers to undergo sudden scrutiny. To make sure your operations adhere to industry and regulatory authority standards, you need compliant software. Sharing test results. Once your NEMT drivers take the test, you can enter the test results into the database and the software will maintain the record. You can have web-based software where the testing laboratory can upload the test results directly. The best part is that the software will be able to display the results for each driver for you, business partners, inspection authorities, and even passengers. This builds up your company's image for offering services with integrity and transparency. By offering a drug testing result for each driver deployed to a passenger client, you can gain a competitive edge in the NEMT market. Run a clean NEMT service. Random drug testing practice will not only ensure that you run clean operations, but also allow you to promise safe transportation to your passengers. Therefore, investing in a reputable drug testing software is definitely worth it. Like this video, share it with a friend or colleague, and give it a like. We would also appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel so we can continue sharing our content with you.